What's up, guys? So this is going to be how to set up a Ring camera for wherever you want to put it, but I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. So first comes unscrewing the camera. There's 2 screws underneath right there. Then you take it out of there. And once you have that, you're gonna press this button until you see that it is like that, a white circle spinning down until the light spinning. You have to download the Ring app on your Android or iPhone on the Play Store or the App Store, and it's gonna tell you to press the orange button until it's spinning, and then it's gonna ask you to log in to the Wi-Fi network of the Ring. So the Ring has its own address, and you're gonna log into that address, and then it's gonna ask you to log in to your house address network. So first you from the app you log into the Ring network that's popping up in your Wi-Fi, and then after you log into that, it's gonna ask you which network do you want to connect that device to, so the Ring. And let's go ahead and do that. So once you've done that, then it's gonna blink in blue, and then you're pretty much ready to install it. And there you go. And I just got the notification on my phone that it's calling me. So that's how you set it up. So to recap really quick, in case you missed anything or misunderstood something, you download the app. First of all, you download the app on your device. It's available in all the devices. It's called Ring from Amazon, just called Ring. You hold down the yellow button on the back of the device until it starts circling white. Once it starts circling white, you let go. It's gonna prompt you for your phone to log in to the Ring. So you log your phone into the Ring network, the Wi-Fi network, and then from there it's gonna prompt you to log in to your house network, the network that you're using. And once you've completed that, once it logs in, it's gonna say successful, and it's going to start circling in blue, and it's ready to install wherever you need to. All right, guys, well, have a good day. I appreciate your time. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Have a good one, guys.